My name is Dr. Philip M. Tierno Jr. I am currently full professor at New York University School of Medicine. I have recently retired from my clinical position, that of Director of Microbiology and Immunology at the NYU Langone Medical Center. I have published 5 books for the lay public, the most popular of which is The Secret Life of Germs, published by Simon & Schuster. Over 3 years ago, I attended a conference on bipolar ionization. We got into discussion on the system called atmos-air. And that led to a second and then a third meeting. And it was at the third meeting I asked if I could get an atmos-air installed in my own home. Initially, I noted that the air smelt remarkably clean, crisp, and different. When I was a little boy, my grandmother used to hang her clothes on a line, and those clothes would sit in the sun and dry. And that smell stayed with me. That's the closest I could say atmos-air smells like when the air is changed. The benefits of this system for so many people coming in and out of the home are that in a continuous way, the system will sanitize the air, and that has been shown to reduce microbes 99.9%, which is an excellent result. Certainly, it's a very good system for the home, but equally, it's a good system wherever large groups of people congregate. It's especially important when you realize that 1 in 5 Americans have either allergies or asthma, and that translates to about 60 million people. Nowhere are highly antibiotic-resistant superbugs more prevalent than in the air and on surfaces in hospitals and other medical facilities. Nosocomial hospital-acquired infections kill more people every year than pancreatic cancer, leukemia, MS, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's combined. Atmos-air bipolar ionization causes production of clusters of hydroxyl radicals which are formed on the surface of microbes, removing hydrogen from the microbial cell walls, thereby killing them. For example, it can reduce 99.9% of microbes in a matter of minutes, verified by independent laboratory testing. But most importantly, these ions go to the contaminants in the breathing space, as well as on surfaces, and do so in a continuous fashion with continuous disinfection. It's the most efficient system for continuously cleaning and decontaminating indoor air. In fact, it is clear, according to the EPA, that indoor air is 25 to 100 times dirtier than outside air. In addition, 90% of your time is spent indoors, whether it's at home or at your job. 90% of your time. So it makes eminent sense to have a continuous system that will sanitize, providing good, clean, clear, microbial reduced air.